In Shenzhen, a city pulsing with innovation, a team of artisans measures aesthetics in millimeters. We are Dry Dental Lab. Two master technicians with 20 years of expertise lead an elite team, honing their craft through time. With simulated aesthetics as our brush, we compose an Eastern legacy of precision in global oral healthcare. We understand true aesthetic restoration is a symphony of science and art. From 0.01 millimeters occlusal precision control to 16-layer biomimetic enamel stratification. From the thermal memory of traditional impressions to real-time digital scanning, each creation redefines the pinnacle of indistinguishable realism. Internationally certified quality, powered by German precision equipment and digital intraoral scanning, merges the warmth of traditional techniques with digital efficiency. Our 7-day turnaround isn't a compromise, it's proof of flawless workflow mastery. Every step from data reception to final inspection withstands microscopic scrutiny. For urgent global clinic demands, we make the impossible routine. 72-hour full-arch occlusal rehabilitation, 7-day end-to-end implant prosthetic workflows, 30% higher first-fit success rate for complex cases than industry standards. With China's speed and innovation, we empower clinics to achieve same-day delivery, instant profitability, clinical miracles, 24/7 AI-powered response systems, 8-language support, and 12-minute emergency access to technical directors. We build not just a service network, but a global second brain for dental professionals. 2 decades of sharpening our craft, unwavering in purpose. 8,000 iterations, always leading the charge. We are not just dental technicians. We are strategic partners to clinics worldwide. Dry Dental Lab.